Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thanks so much for joining me again today. Today's little projects are these ones. They are designed for an Easter treat or maybe this one is a Valentine's Day. Now these are the Jolly Delivery dies and they are currently on the retiring list from Stampin' Up. So if you go to the link that I've put in the description bar below and click on specials or retiring products, you'll find the die for the Jolly Delivery box. This is what the die looks like when you buy it, when you get it I should say. You run it through your die, your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and it makes this little box. I have other videos that I've made sort of at Christmas time where I've used it, but I thought, why not? It doesn't have to be just for Christmas, right? Why not make it as a fun little treat for Easter? So that's what I'm going to show you today. And then I made another one in pink, and I used it has three different little securing attachments, I suppose, that go on the back of the die. When you run it through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, you put them on. That one's a heart, so I thought, how cute is that for Valentine's Day, right? And I made that one in pretty in pink using the stamp that goes with, and Stampin' die that goes with the set. It's very cute, and yeah, I think, I'm not sure, I can't remember, don't quote me, but they may be on, I know they're on the last chance list, they may be marked down, I'm not sure, but keep an eye on them because this is a cute little set to get. So Easter, Valentine's Day, or any time really. Let me show you how I made it. So I've already gone ahead and cut this one out of crumb cake, and that's the little holder at the back. So all you're going to do is get your bone folder and fold on all those score lines. It's really easy to put together. And like I said, this is pecan pie cardstock. Make sure you really burnish those lines. I think this would be so cute for Easter. Alright, okay, so all you're going to do is these little tabs that are here, you're going to fold those in and apply some, put some little bit of Tombow on there. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. Whoops, she says as she puts too much down. Yeah. And then just fold them in and hold them in place for just a second or two. You want to make sure that you've really got those, that lines scored, matched tightly is the word actually, so that the box actually sits together properly. You could make this in any colour. It'd be cute, maybe in blue bunny for Easter, pink for Easter. And then you just fold those in and then hold that little piece together, pop that in. If there was something inside here like a little Easter treat, I dare not get an Easter treat or I will eat it. So that's why there's nothing in here, but if there's something in the box, it will fasten much more easily than what's happening right now. Let me just see if I can get it to, let's try again. So we're going to pretend there's something inside there. There we go. Let me fold it down. And that's how it fastens. And then I've already made the pink one up already for the Valentine's one. So how did I make these little ears? Well, I don't have an oval die, but I have got my terrific Toadstools punch, and this little piece here I thought would make a perfect little bunny ear. So just punch 2 of those out. Grab your bone folder and just do that. That's it. Easy, right? So easy. And then just pop them on with little dimensional, with whatever adhesive you like. Just at the top there. Okay. Cute, right? Give that a moment to dry. And the little nose, I used my heartfelt hexagon punch, and all I'm going to do is just pop it in just to get that little piece right there. Oh, let's try that again, shall we? This is just basic black cardstock. This the whiskers are from my twine that I seem to have misplaced. I'm always misplacing this stuff. Here it is. My linen thread, I should say. Here it is. And all I did was pull a few strands apart, actually. But you don't have to do that. You can just leave it whole. I thought it looked quite cute though. Just see if I can make that work today. Just trying to separate a couple of those strands. Okay. Yeah. You can keep it whole if you like, and just, I might just cut that in half so it's a bit right. Putting a little bit of Stampin' Seal on. Oh, very important piece, the little cheekies. I know you can't see it that well, but I'm going to pop on a little bit of Pretty in Pink ink with my blending brush, just to make a couple of little cheeks. Yeah, that looks better actually. I got these ones a bit light and probably that one's a bit dark, but you can do it however you like. Putting a little bit of tape on there, Stampin' Seal, I should say. Put that down. Glue dot to hold that little nose in. I'm going to use the matte dots for the eyes. I think these might be retired, but whatever little dots you've got, if you've only got the white, you could always colour them. Just there. It's cute, right? You don't have to put the bow on, but I mean, really, I had to put the bow on. So the bow is just, it's a new ribbon actually, and it's in the mini catalogue. It is part of a suite, I believe, but this is white and gold ribbon. I think glue dots would be easier. Just a couple. Let's just put one down. Yeah. Put your ribbon on. And that's the little bunny box made. There we go. Now for the Valentine's Day box, same thing, same type of situation. Like I said, I've already made the box up, and I've gone ahead and cut out some of the pieces. Now this paper is actually from paper that's retired, the wildflower birthday celebrations, but the wildflower celebration workshop kit is actually still available, and I put the link in the description bar below, and it does have this beautiful paper in it. So if you really would like some of this beautiful paper, I just love it, click that link that I've popped in for you. It's cute, it's real cute. Now the hearts are from Just a Note dies. They're just little hearts, and I think they're just really cute. I really do. Put one there. And here, I die cut them in real red. And then the little dog is from the Jolly Delivery stamp set. I've gone ahead and coloured in cloud cover, put in pink as well. It's very, very cute, very cute. Just seeking to locate my dimensionals, which I know are here somewhere. I've got rather a lot of stuff around the side of me here. There. And this is bubble bath ribbon, and it is also in the mini catalogue. It's narrow ribbon, and I love it. So if you click those links that I've put in for these products, do have a look at them, because these are really pretty. This is such pretty ribbon. I think, you know, if you're looking to get maybe something at a bit of a discount, this is a good time, especially if you can get these dies on a discounted amount, and also they're good for any season, right? I've just done a double bow there because this ribbon's only narrow. Blue dot. Put it on with some Tombow. To finish it off with that bubble bath ribbon, and there you have them. What do you think? Whoops, come back here. Oh, it's all coming apart. Right, what do you think? I think it's a cute way to use a product that hopefully you may be able to get as it's before it leaves Stampin' Up altogether. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and please click the link in the description bar below for the products I've used. Thanks so much, and have a great day.